What is she doing?
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What up, what up? It's Rebuilder Guy, and this is my Honda Civic Type R. This is part 7 of the series. If you want to see the other episodes, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner or in the description box down below. This exhaust needs to go. Rear bumper's on. This fender flare is on, looks good. Quarter panel doors are good. Thank you, Metal Mike, you did a wonderful job. Today we're going to be focusing on paint and body. We need to put some body filler here, make it smooth like a baby's bottom, you know what I'm saying? This door needs to come off real quick. We need to seal one seam with some caulking. And here on the front end, we're gonna paint. Pretty simple stuff. I hope you enjoy this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Let's go. Hey, Rebuilder Slav, can you let us know what's going on over here? Okay, bundle complete. At the very thickest point is 1 millimeter. Not bad at all, very acceptable. On here on front door, yes, very funny stuff. I was watching when it was happening. I was laughing very, very hard. Metal Mike had no idea why I was laughing. Very funny. Okay, next is going to be primer. This week, I don't know if we're going to be able to paint because weather very, very cold. And cold weather and paint, no match. But right now, let's go to primer. All right, so I moved the Type R into the finishing booth. Primer is complete, looks very good. We're gonna finish it off camera with that super fine sandpaper right before paint. I know I said I was gonna paint this week, guys. I'm so sorry I couldn't because the weather was absolutely terrible. What is she doing? All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for all the likes, shares, comments. It all helps. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.